When people ask me about the 108 sun salutations that we do every year in aid of Yogability, they often tell me that they are nervous about the fundraising aspect of it. So what we ask, or what we invite people to do, is raise sponsorship to support their efforts and to support the work of Yogability. And I completely understand that it can feel really awkward and uncomfortable asking for money. So what I encourage people to do is think about it slightly differently, that you are simply telling people what you're doing in support of this amazing local charity and offering them the opportunity to support them too, to show their support for you and also to show their support for the work that Yogability do with children with special needs and their families and carers. Now, again, I understand that making a direct ask can feel uncomfortable, particularly if it's face-to-face. So what I suggest people do is send out an email to all of your close personal friends and contacts, families. Put something out if you've got like a family chat or a group chat. Put something out in that, just telling people what you're doing and including a link. You can either set up a GoFundMe page, or I've set up a GoFundMe page that people can pay their money directly into. So it means you're not asking for money, they're not having to give the money to you, that they can pay directly in. And if they pay directly into the GoFundMe account here, then they simply have to put your name in the messages and I can attribute it to your sponsorship. As well as that, what I really encourage people to do is shout out about it on all of your social media. Even if you're not that regular on social media, shout it out. Again, you're telling people what it is that you're doing and offering them the opportunity to give a donation towards the work of Yogability. And when we say fundraising, I absolutely want to stress that every single penny counts. So even if you're asking your friends and your family for £1 or £2 each, that money makes a difference to Yogability being able to carry on offering the services that they do. And I also want to be really clear that the money that you pay to sign up, to register, to come along and join us at the event, every single penny of that money goes to Yogability as well. So even if you sign up, you ask 10 friends and family for £1 or £2, that's a really significant contribution to Yogability. And if we can get a few people doing that, then it all adds up really, really quickly. It all counts. So if it's something that you think you would like to do, but you're worried about the fundraising, please don't let that stop you. Even if all you do is sign up, that money goes to Yogability and that money helps them continue what they're doing. So sometimes in 108 Sun Salutations, as in life, we just need to get out of our own way. We need to step aside, get by all our nervousness and awkwardness, to allow people to support something or the work that is as good as the work that Yogability offer. So I hope to see you here at Merchant City Yoga on Saturday the 17th of December for our 10th annual 108 Sun Salutations in aid of the very wonderful local charity Yogability. Thank you.